Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color and white color. So kids, now you draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z, and first you draw A and use green color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use green color and draw D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan. Kids, again use green color and draw G for cart, G for glass, H for hand, H for helicopter, I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now to J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J and use yellow color. K for kite, K for king, L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest. Kids, again use yellow color and draw O for orange, O for octopus, P for parrot, P for penguin, Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids, now to R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R and use red color. S for sun, S for snack, T for teacher, T for tiger, U for umbrella, U for uncle, V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids, now your W for wallet, W for watch, X for X-ray, X for telephone, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids, now your numbers and first eight of 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5, 6, S I F 6. The numbers of 6. It's again use blue color and draw 7, S EVEN 7, 8, EIGHT 8, 9, NINE 9, 10, TEN 10. The numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.